Hi everyone, welcome back to the Printable Cuttable Creatables YouTube channel, and my name is Kris and I am back with a fun Halloween project. My daughter is a loving gift giving girl and she wants to give the people at her school that, teach her and care for her a lovely gift for Halloween. So what you need for this cute project is you need the pumpkins wreath with your Cricut pen. You need some cardstock. For this box you need a 12 by 12 piece of cardstock. This box is an 8.5 by 11 piece of cardstock. My favorite precision glue pen. I use this pointer, the point on this, to help get those eyes on the pumpkins. And you need some tacky glue to glue your box together, and your scoring tool for your Cricut machine or whatever cutting machine you use. And you need a couple treats to fill the boxes. So come on, let's get started. Alright, so I have all my pieces lined up and organized here, and we're going to put together this wreath Happy Halloween card. So we're going to glue it on this side. So here's my favorite precision glue pen, and let's get gluing. So first thing we're going to glue is the wreath. So I'm just putting little dabs everywhere, for the most part in the major spots, and then I'm going to line it up and push down on it. And any spots that aren't sticking, I will just add some glue under there. So right here, I'm going to add some glue on these arms of the branch. Add some glue. All right, oh, just a little bit more there. And we're gonna just line it up right there. Next, we are going to glue our pumpkins onto the pumpkin background. So once again, small dabs. You could definitely use tweezers. I don't have craft tweezers, but it works just fine. Next, we're going to do the vine or the stem of the pumpkin. I do have this little pointer that I can move it to the place that I want it to be, and that helps a bit. Because it's going to get a little tricky with the pumpkin eyes, but that's okay. So I line it up as best as I can, and then I'll come in with my little stick here and I'll maneuver it to where I want it to be. There. Now we do the mouth. There. So now we're going to glue the wreath onto the card. Give it a good press. And then my favorite, the foam adhesives. I like using the leftover bits, so don't be afraid to use those. And line it up. And there you have our pumpkin wreath card, and then you're just going to fold the card along the score line. And so we've made 4 of them. And this one here, I decided to just color in the pumpkin eyes and mouth, and I think that's a cute touch too. All right, so next we're going to make the box. We're going to fold up the box. So this one is pattern paper, and I made it for a 12 by 12 sheet. So we're going to fold along those score lines. So remember, the PDF pattern comes with instructions on how to fold the score lines, and you're just going to follow the instructions on the PDF file. That's one thing I love about printable, cuttable, creatables files, is they always come with instructions on how to basically assemble what you've cut out. It comes with different layering options. So I'm going to put some glue along this short edge here. And for this, I'm using Tacky Glue. And then you're going to fold along that score line there and tuck the tab in. And there you have your little treat box. So we're going to make it one more time. So I have my face lined up where I want to put it, and we're going to glue the face on. The PDF comes with a template, but I'm not using the template. I'm just going with where I want to place it, but the template is also very helpful. And there you have your little pumpkin treat box. So let's fill them up. And there you have a fun little treat bag you could fill with the person's favorite treats, maybe some Baileys and a nice card to go with it. And you could even make these small pumpkin bags for handing out to your little trick-or-treaters. If you live down a street that doesn't get many trick-or-treaters, these mini treat bags are quick and easy to make, that you could, you know, make 10 for your trick-or-treaters and have fun with it and do some cool, cute designs. So thank you so much for joining me, and I hope that you had fun with this project, and I can't wait to see what you come up with.